Have an iPhone and don't want to be carrying around a bunch of cables? I got you. What's up guys, my name is Mario and I do mobile tech accessory reviews so you don't have to. Stay tuned to the end to find out how you can win this. Okay guys, I got another one for you. The folks over at Naztech.com sent me over this awesome power bank. It's called the PowerBolt. It's a 10,000 milliamp power bank. Uses a USB-C to MFI, which is an Apple charger, the same one that comes stock in your iPhone, I believe iPhone 11 and up. And guess what? You don't even need to get another cable to charge this thing and charge your phone. It uses the same exact cable. Let's dive in. Like always, this is part one. We're gonna do the unboxing right now. All right, so here's the PowerBolt, MFI certified, so it's made for iPhone. 10,000 milliamp, it's a PD power delivery power bank. It has wireless charging, lightning port, USB-C PD in out, and USB out. This is what it looks like in the box. This is the actual shape. It's pretty thin. It's nice travel size, so you don't have to have this bulky thing in your pocket. So let's open this up. There we go. Alright, go. Cool. So what's in the box? Basically, the power bank and a charging cable, which looks like it's USB-C to USB-C charging cable. And here's the power bank. Nice, it fits nice in my hand. So here's a port. Here's the lightning in. You can use this to charge your power bank or recharge the power, or you can use the USB-C, which just comes with the included cable. And then there's a fast charge. Stay tuned for part two where we put this guy to the test. If you like this product, go check them out at Naztech.com. Use coupon code MMTR25 to get 25% off your purchase. It's currently available for $69.99 at Naztech.com. So like I said at the beginning of the video, you can get a chance to win this 10,000 milliamp power bank. All you gotta do is share this with your friends, and then once we get to 1,000 followers, then we're gonna do a live event and we're gonna pick out from all those people. Don't forget guys to like and follow for more.